Why does your scanner show the P0663 engine code? What does it mean? P0663 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold tuning valve control circuit, or Open Bank 2. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's computer PCM has detected an issue with the circuit controlling the intake manifold tuning valve on engine bank 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty intake manifold tuning valve, wiring issues, PCM issues. Other potential causes: each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Lexus RX and Lincoln LS models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.